moving to Tinker, Oklahoma, and you're wondering, hey, should I buy a house? Or what are the steps to buy a house? Or what are the tips that I need to know about buying a house when I move to Tinker Air Force Base because I just got orders to the base? Well, that's what this video is going to be all about. And if you enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and then enjoy all my other videos. I got tons of videos on this channel. Just enjoy them. So first off, assess your financial situation. Your BAH is going to cover a majority of your home mortgage. So assess your financial situation. The BAH amounts for Oklahoma are a little less than a lot of other states, but the cool thing about it is Oklahoma's housing is super affordable compared to other states. It absolutely is. So even though your BAH is a little bit less, don't worry, your housing cost is a whole lot less here in Oklahoma. And before I forget to, down in the descriptions below are 2 amazing links. One's to get your ID card and contact the base visitor center to get that all set up. And the second one is for when you're PCSing to Tinker Air Force Base. It's a little informational website with a bunch of info that you could check out and gain some information of. Always talk to your department head, or what is it called? Is it called department head? Always talk to the person that's moving, that's your sponsor. Always talk to your sponsor and get the lowdown from them. But those 2 links down in the description below will get you to the visitor center, and it'll get you to a great informational page on PCSing to Tinker Air Force Base. Number 2, after you assess your financial situation, you decide, yeah, I want to give house buying a try. Give us a call. The agents that I work with, eXp Realty now, we're absolutely here to help you. So we can point you in the direction that you're looking for, whether schools are important to you, or commute time to base is important to you, or just affordable housing is important to you. So give us a call, chat with us about your real estate needs. That way we can point you in the right direction and get you connected to a lender that other customers have been happy with in the past. And that leads us to step number 3. You want to get pre-qualified. Don't worry about getting your VA eligibility form or anything like that. The lender handles it all for you. You're going to be super impressed. You'll be thankful that you reached out to us and was introduced to one of the lenders that other customers have been super happy with too when it comes to getting their home loan, especially when they're moving to Tinker Air Force Base. And if you're like, why do I need to call you guys? Because I'm in real estate. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. When you're moving to Tinker, Oklahoma, and the Tinker, Oklahoma City metro area, we want to help you with your real estate needs. We're real estate agents. We're licensed real estate agents. That's what we do. That's why I make all these videos. Check out the channel playlist on the main channel about Edmond, Norman, Moore, Choctaw, Hera, Yukon, Mustang, etc., etc. You can learn a lot about the Oklahoma City metro area just on the channel, just from the comfort of your own home. Step number 4 is zero in on which location is best for you. So let's go look at houses in, like I said, Mustang. Let's go look at houses, like I said, in Choctaw, in Hera, in Midwest City, Del City, Oklahoma City, Edmond, Norman. Let's go look at the houses. Let's see which one's good for you. And one of the ways that we help narrow down that search is when you get done visiting with the lender about what you're approved for, we can put that as your price ceiling and make sure we're only looking at houses that fit within your price ceiling. We don't want you to be house broke. We do not want you to be house broke. Even if the lender approves you for a whole lot more money than you want to spend on a house, you don't have to spend it all. We don't want you to be house broke. Maybe you want to live near the rock climbing gym right in Oklahoma City. Maybe you want to live in one of those beautiful townhouses downtown so you can just walk through Bricktown and get to it. What is it that you're wanting? We're going to start narrowing that down, especially on the second step, but then especially on this 4th step. Item number 5, find the house. You'll know it. Trust me, when you walk in, you'll know it. I promise you'll know it, because when you're looking at them, some will be like, nah, that ain't really the one. That's not the one. But some of them are going to be like, this is the one. Don't tell anyone. The sellers nowadays could be listening on the webcams. Don't say it too loud, okay? Don't get too excited. We don't want to lose some leverage in negotiation tactics. But just let us know, give us the wink. It's the one. It's the one. And then we'll be like, okay, we'll talk bad about it out loud in case the seller is listening on the cameras. But then when we get out of the house, we're like, let's write an offer. Let's write an offer. And we'll write that winning offer. Okay. Thumbs up if that's helpful. Step number 6, inspections. This is when you start dating the home. Okay. This is when you're really getting to know the home that you're getting ready to buy. Shout out to Eli Smith and Will Grimes. They use that acronym. Is that what it's called? Acronym. This is when you really start dating the home. You're going to get the inspections done. Home and termite. You're going to get any additional inspections done. The home inspector thinks you need to get. You're going to get the appraisal done. The lender is going to look at all your financing, and title is going to go through the seller's title and make sure that you get marketable title for the home. That's step number 6. Is that helpful? Is that helpful? Thumbs up. Thumbs up if that's helpful. Step number 7 on home buying tips when you're moving to Tinker, Oklahoma, in the Oklahoma City metro area is understanding that with home ownership does come a little bit of cost. So you want to budget every year to do minor repairs, like maybe a window goes bad or a hot water tank goes out or something like that. A good budget is 1 to 2% annually of the purchase price. So if you buy a $250,000 home, just set aside $2,500 to $5,000 annually for any maintenance repairs that might need to come up, or roof deductibles. Since you're going to be living in Oklahoma now, we do get hailstorms. We do have wind and hail deductibles that you want to pay attention to. Item number 8, make sure all the funds for closing are set aside in an account that's easily accessible for the day of closing, and do not change anything financially. Don't go open up a line of credit to get furniture. Don't go get a new car. Don't decide to get out of the military, not go to Tinker anymore, unless you've already discussed that with the lender and we're in that transition phase and the lender knows what we're doing in that aspect. That's totally fine. But don't quit your job. Don't get kicked out of the military. If you're a civil service employee, don't get kicked out of your civil service job. Don't open up lines of credits for furniture or Target card or anything like that. Okay. Do not do that. Keep your financial person the same as you're going through this closing process, and make sure all the funds for closing costs and down payment are set aside in an account that's super easy to get a cashier's check on the day of closing or the day before closing. And then step number 9, don't forget, guys, buying a house, it is a little stressful. You know, the agents that I work with and I at eXp Realty, we're going to be there helping you through the process as best as possible. Trust us, it's stressful. It is stressful, even for us when we're buying our own houses. It's stressful, but try to make the best out of the moment. If you've got kiddos, involve them in it. Don't get upset at them. If you need to find a babysitter or something like that to help watch the kiddos or take the kiddos to daycare while you're moving and things like that, that's all fine. That all makes sense. But just enjoy the process. Enjoy the moving. Even after the closing, enjoy the moving truck, enjoy everything as best as possible, because it's your new home, guys. It's an amazing investment. It's most people's way. It's most people's most valued asset that they own. So really enjoy it. Really make it your own home. Get the paint colors that you want for the bedrooms. Take your time moving in. Enjoy the move in, getting all the utilities set up, stuff like that. And then next thing you know, you're going to be an Oklahoman. You're going to be an Oklahoman. That's right, guys. So if you enjoyed today's video on tips for buying a home when you're moving to Tinker Air Force Base, I really hope that you do consider subscribing to the channel. Giving the video a big thumbs up. We're always going over everything eating, drinking, living in Oklahoma City, in the Oklahoma City metro area on this channel. We'd love to earn your business. Give us a call, shoot, text, send us an email so the agents that I work with, eXp Realty, and I can help you with all your real estate needs. We'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great weekend. At the time of this video, happy Father's Day weekend too, because that's coming up. And you guys, I'll see you on the next one.